So I leave the house to go to the beach at 7:30 and are right now 7:40. Can you see? Wait, you can't. Wait. It was 7:40 before, but now after I spend 1 minute trying to show the time to you guys, I think it's not 7:40 anymore. Anyways, I do my skincare and I'm gonna do some makeup because I am naturally something not positive, and we need to fix this. Like, I'm not going to record to the beach and giving dead body. I don't know if I can say that. Whatever. It's super dark because it's so early, but the lighting in my room is horrible. I'm gonna get some fucking LEDs from Shein because, oh wait, I don't use Shein. Please don't cancel me. Please don't cancel me. So we arrive at the beach and I'm very shy to talk about because there's a lot of families here. Are now 9. You can't see properly. Wow. So guys, we are we are already in the beach. We have this beautiful beach behind us. I don't know where the fuck am I because someone took us, but I don't know where we are. You're recording me? Hey guys, what's up? After trying to take a bunch of pictures and probably one of them turned out good, we are going to enjoy the rest of our... I'm going to fire my cameraman. You are so whack when you want to. Like, he literally doesn't know how to follow rules. So I think I'm gonna fire him. But I don't know who I'm gonna like I don't know how to get a new cameraman because this one does everything for free. So can I like fire someone that is not getting paid? Yeah, let's go.